Okay, so I know I said there wouldn't be a weekly vlog, although I guess I'll just put this in the following week's weekly vlog and make it an extra long one. So it's Saturday, and I'm still sounding a little weird, at least I do to myself, but I feel decently well. So I did a few things outside. Let me flip you around and show you. I finally planted our tomato plant. I wanted to get this big pot out here because I'm going to put a cage in it. So I wanted to make sure it had something sturdy enough to hold that. So that is in its new home. Hopefully it gets nice and big and happy in there. Everyone else is looking great. Mint, always doing well. I was sitting out here earlier, so I've got the umbrella open. But my pillows came. They're so pretty. I love them, and it says they're like water resistant, mildew resistant, I don't know, bacteria resistant, whatever, outdoor yuckiness resistant. I think they look great in these chairs. So good. And then, whoop, I hung these lights too, so very happy with that. So I slept decently well last night. Had one little coughing fit, but aside from that, I slept fine. Austin has been me, but his rheumatologist sent him a prescription that should help him get better. And I don't know, we just haven't really gotten into much. We're not leaving the house. Done some laundry, but aside from that, we just really haven't done much. I did sit outside a little this morning, try and get some vitamin D. I feel like being outdoors kind of helps make you feel a little more alive, although it is getting hot. I think it's in the 80s already. So yeah, I'm contemplating doing some of my, don't look at that yucky house over there, the windows, that needs a lot of improvement. I'm hoping someone buys that house because the tenant recently moved out, but we'll see. I'm not gonna get into the history of that house and the slumlording and stuff. Anyway, that's so off topic. If I can work up the energy, I'm thinking about filming a reel because my Instagram has been dead all week, basically. But yeah, we're just loafing around. I think we're gonna watch The Boys soon, since that just came out. Yeah. Hello and happy Wednesday. I've tested negative. We're gonna go to the grocery store. This is what I'm wearing today. This is a cute little dress from Rent the Runway. I put the names of all the dresses and the sizes I'm wearing in the reel that I uploaded with my new Rent the Runway stuff, so check that out. I've got my Stella bag, and I'm just gonna put on some tennis shoes, probably my Vans. And then I've got these little deconstructed bracelets that I got at the craft show. That's the look. I'm probably going to switch to different sunglasses. I don't think the black kind of goes with it, but we're going to go get some food. We've been living off of whatever we've had in the house, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting out of the house because it's been like a week and a half now. We're back from the grocery store, which I totally didn't film any of that, completely forgot. I took that week off and now it's like I don't remember how to vlog at all. So yeah, put on a little bit of a face, gonna film a YouTube video. I'm wearing this Medusa's makeup lip. It's so pretty. I love it so much. But yeah, I'm gonna film a YouTube video about summer bags, and if I'm motivated, I might film a reel. I don't know if I'm feeling it or not. We'll see. But yeah, I just felt like I needed to do something today. I haven't really done content-y things in a few days. I did post some new stuff on Poshmark, so check that out. Link is always in the description box if you're interested in secondhand clothing. I know I love shopping on Poshmark, so if you want to shop my closet, that's down below. But yeah, I'm gonna get my camera set up and get this video filmed. Hello and happy Friday. I have done a shit job of vlogging all week, but to be fair, we have done nothing all week, so there wasn't really anything to vlog aside from us watching TV and eating dinner. But today we are going to go out to the store. I know I vlogged saying we were going to the grocery store the other day and then I didn't show you anything. We got food.
Whatever. So here is what I'm wearing today. I've just got some strappy little kitten heels and this dress from Rent the Runway, which is really colorful and fun. Little necklace with like faux pearls that just goes down the center. Gives you a little booby action. And I'm probably gonna wear my Stella McCartney pink purse with the medal on it. So that's the outfit of the day. We have to go to the post office, the FedEx box, the liquor store, the plant store, Target, what else? Maybe a Home Depot or a Lowe's, something like that. So we've got lots to do after my last meeting of the day, because tomorrow is the big street festival that we probably won't be able to get off of the street. Well, we will be able to get off of our street. It's just gonna be so congested and crowded that it's not worth leaving. So that's the plan. Get all our errands done. Look fabulous doing so. And then I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. We'll see.
So we're out running errands now. I've done all my meetings for the day. We popped a FedEx box. We went to the post office. I actually sold something while I was in my last meeting, so I packed that up real quick, dropped all my posh orders off at the post office. Now we are heading outside the city a little bit. Gotta get some plants for the deck. I want to get some flowers so that bees will be more encouraged to come up on the deck and like pollinate my peppers and stuff. And Austin needs some shampoo. They don't have a shampoo on Amazon, so we're gonna check Target. And then we're gonna get some wood for our fire pit. We're going to get some clippers for our bushes in the backyard. Is that everything we're doing? Oh, and we're on the hunt for some vodka for my shaker and spoon box that just came in. I have to decide whether or not I'm gonna film that and who I'm gonna film it with. We'll see. So yeah, we've got a nice busy Friday evening, afternoon, I don't know. Good morning, happy Saturday. So by the time we got home yesterday from running all our errands, and then we ended up making dinner and stuff, I didn't have time to show you guys the flowers I bought. So even though it's a little rainy, just a little rainy, I'm gonna go out and show you guys the flowers I got. I really need to plant 2 of them, but I don't think that's happening in the first half of today because it's supposed to be a little rainy, but maybe in the afternoon. And it's just so yucky this morning. It looks like it's only supposed to go for a few hours and then it'll clear up. Hopefully it clears up sooner, the door, sooner rather than later, because there is that big festival today that I'm definitely going to. So let's look at these flowers. So here's one of the bouquets I bought, or it's not really a bouquet, it's like a mixed planter. It's got all kinds of stuff in it. My tomato is getting so big already. It's crazy. Here's my other planter. I need to see if I have got another stand somewhere that this one can chill on. Then we got these flowers I'm just gonna put in this little pot to sit on the table, just something a little cute. And we got some lavender to fill out the last hole there. So I need to plant the lavender and the little flowers, but not too bad. Wasn't too much money. This little pepper doesn't seem to be doing anything at all. This is actually starting to grow, kind of crooked, but I'm glad that's starting to grow. Everything seems to be doing well. Like, this is getting a whole bunch of new leaves and stuff, but it's not like going up. I'll have to do some research on that one or something. Yeah, it is rainy, yucky. Hopefully it's not like this all day long, because it's been years since there's been a Honfest, and I really want the vendors to do well. So what are you doing, Fran? Look at all her toys. She has taken over our house. What are you doing, Fran? That's her blankie and her box. And that's her pillow that she lays on and watches all the birds. Then she has another blankie. Are you the diva? Are you the diva? She's gonna walk over to her food because she wants food. Yeah, you want some more foods? She gets wet food on a little plate in the morning, so I'm gonna do that now. Get myself some coffee and settle into the morning.
Eat a little bit. Oh, what a great start.
Give me that toy back, friend.
And then while this starts to cook,
Give me that back.
add the pasta to the water so that when the sauce is ready, the pasta will be ready too. And I love it when a plan comes together like that. So linguine, but you can absolutely do any.
Hey, hey, hey. I'm wearing Stress from J. Crew Factory. My little tennis shoes. The earrings I got at the art show. The matching bracelets. And my Switchwood sunglasses. And also my rainbow bag. We just went to Mom's to get a couple of snacky things in case it does stay not raining and we can have people over tonight. And then we also returned my Rent the Runway stuff. So we're about to walk over to the Honfest now. We're all set up for a little party tonight. Made a couple little snack trays and a cocktail. Austin prepped the fire. Should be nice and low-key. Good morning. So, it's Sunday morning. I don't know how much I can't even hold the camera straight. I don't know how much I shot yesterday. But we had a little gathering and it was a lot of fun. Although no one ate like most of the snacks. I always overbuy snacks. Oh my god, that tomato is growing so fast. So today was initially supposed to be a giant washout for the festival, but it looks like it's just gonna be cloudy all day, which is awesome. I woke up with a little bump, a couple little bumps. Honestly, I think they're bug bites because they don't seem like pimples, but put a patch on the biggest one anyway. We'll see what happens. I did have some beverages last night, some adult beverages, which means I need to eat. I usually require 2 breakfasts when I have adult, oh god, dropping the camera, adult beverages. So probably gonna have some leftovers from yesterday. We had Indian, well, I had Indian for dinner. We just went up on the avenue and got whatever we wanted each. I had some chana masala. I'm probably gonna have that left over. And I gotta feed Fran. And then maybe some coffee. And then it looks like it did rain a little, so I'm gonna have to go just dump the chairs over because they do tend to collect a little water. But we cleaned up everything last night. We did a really great job getting everything cleaned up pretty quickly, so there isn't really a lot to do. The house itself is a little messy. Like, there's crap all over our dining table, but otherwise, not too bad. I don't have any outfits planned for today, so I can just kind of wing it. I need to order my Rent the Runway order. Maybe I'll do that right when I finish filming so I don't forget. And, yeah. I guess I'll probably end up back up at the festival walking around just for something to do today.